皆さんこんにちは、Joy です。Welcome to the fourth video in my Katakana practice series. I hope you're enjoying the series and keeping up with your studies. Today, we're focusing on the characters ma through yo. If you are not an absolute beginner, you might be wondering when I'll cover voiced and semi-voiced letters along with contracted sounds. Don't worry, I plan to include those in future videos. First, I want to make sure we build a strong foundation before introducing characters like ga, za, po, and kya, sha, cho, to name a few. If you need extra support, feel free to book a class with me, and if you're looking to sharpen your writing and reading comprehension, my Pen Pal program is a great way to do that. I'll leave all the details in the description. That's all for the intro. Please follow along and let's get started. First, let's take a moment to review each letter one by one. A katakana character will appear on the screen, giving you time to look at it and think about its sound. After a brief pause, I'll pronounce the letter for you. Here's the first letter. Ma. Mi. Mu. Me. Mo. Here's what they look like side by side, starting from the left. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya. You. Yo. Here's what they look like side by side from the left. Ya, you, yo. Moving on to the guided exercise. First, let's try katakana word puzzle. Here's how it works. I'll show you a scrambled katakana word, and your job is to unscramble it to find the correct word. Pay close attention. The fifth question is a bit of a challenge. It includes one letter we haven't covered yet in this series. Think carefully, say the letters out loud, and see if you can solve it before time runs out. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's see if you cracked the puzzle. Before we check the answers, did you notice a theme for this exercise? That's right. All of the words in this puzzle are country names written in katakana. Now, let's go through each one and check your answers. Number 1, Mexico. Mexico. Number 2, Swiss. Swiss. Number 3, Kenya. Kenya. Number 4, Monaco. Monaco. And number 5, Costa Rica. Costa Rica. You might have noticed the letter D in Costa Rica. That's a letter we haven't covered yet in this series, but don't worry, we'll get to it soon. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Since we've covered so much already, I'm going to keep this video light. We just finished our guided exercise, and now it's time for our flashcard round to reinforce all the katakana letters from A to Yo. Let's begin. That's all for today's session. Great work. In the next video, we'll start with the letter La. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember that you can always review previous videos or repeat exercises to reinforce your learning. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and focus on your journey. I hope you'll join me for the next session. Until then, happy learning. Mata ne!